I spoke very well.
Very
if
okay.
I do not spoke very well, I've spoke my mind.
Very okay, my brother. Very okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Then consign where? He will come to program tomorrow. Let me just be listening. I may come back.
No, continue. Just use more 2 minutes. Use more minutes. Just 2 minutes.
Okay. Another thing I want to say is that there is some of the things that I saw today concerning people that want to set COS up. Some people are saying, I was listening to the one platform. I want to correct that inspiration. If you COS, come out today. If you COS, come out today. Somebody is already standby that will replace POS, but COS, our DPM. But I know that our DPM is not going. So anybody that is planning, estimate that they send, because this thing I'm telling you now is the information. Anybody that is estimated that they send information so that they will send to the police in US, they are all fair. Before they start this thing, we already in the front. Understand? The COS is trying to say, you people don't know how I prepared concerning this. So I want to encourage all the Biafra that is panicking concerning that rumor, concerning those group, Ogenkere group, cutting where he was looking for information.
What to cut off?
So I want to tell all the people that they should not shake, they should not panic. Our COS is okay. Nothing they will send before they move Ogenkere and his own group try to bring COS down. They're not going to bring COS down. And they're not going to bring this Biafra government down. If they think in a COS, if they remove COS, that Biafra government will scatter, lie. Another person is already standby. If they tell them say COS will stand by when someone move, they will not believe it because they thought that the woman will not rise. They thought that the woman will not stand against them. They thought that the woman will not wage war against them. They thought that the woman can push him and he run away. So that is what they believe. Understand? But now what they never see is not what they prepared. That is why they are fighting the last battle. And this is the last of them. When they follow this side, God will destroy them. When they follow this side, God will destroy them. So I want to encourage all the Biafras. Nobody should panic. Nothing will happen in our COS. Our COS is okay. Eventually something happens to us, God will still raise somebody that's even worse than COS. So God is already prepared the journey. Nobody will stop it. Ogenkere. And that you are on. Remi choose a labu angene. And Shani that already fair woefully.
Thank you. Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much. No, thank you. I appreciate it. You see, this issue of COS, if anything is gonna happen to her or not, I don't ask that Nana Kama. No, also before no I get or call let me just leave it there.
Sit at home. But when it falls on these people, men, Ikenga you will put down no. Children, no, one ever on. On a laser attachment, or the car was to go ahead on a attachment. Or the car to go higher. On a purity, also peable, what's one in my born. Well, I turned on it, which I said, none again. I will deal with these people one after the other. Okay.